Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable pre-recording on your Insta360 GO Ultra. Okay, so in order to start, you will need to slide down from the top of your screen and find pre-recording. Click on it and then select the time of pre-recording. So I'll select 30 seconds and let's click on start pre-recording. Now it starts pre-recording, which means it records 30 seconds before you start recording your video. So for example, if you it's really great because that makes you be able to start recording a video at any time, even after an event has happened. Like let's say you want to record a random event that has happened randomly and you weren't ready for it, but you had your camera and it recorded it, and then you can hit recording to make sure it gets saved, because the pre-recording doesn't get saved. It just it's just in the RAM of the camera. It stays there and it waits until you hit record, which means that now it's not yet recorded. It is recorded, but it's not saved. So now I'm like doing something. I can now hit on record button. Now I'm recording and I'm already in the 32nd or 37th second of the video, and now I can finish it. It's processing it, and now I have 30 seconds of the video, even though I haven't been recording for that long. And now it starts pre-recording again from the beginning. So if I now started recording the video, I would have 10 seconds because it started recording 10 seconds ago. And that's how it works. So yeah, and later you can view those videos with those additional 10, 15 or 30 seconds at the beginning. And you can also pause it here, so it'll just disable pre-recording. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.